Hello YouTubers and welcome to Silly Sid 123. Now this is my latest acquisition. Now this is a Hoover Junior U1036 which has been refurbished in hammerite, and I have to say I am very impressed with the results. Now this machine you might recognise on Hooverlux's channel. Well, I'm happy to say that the lovely Hooverlux kindly donated this to me, and I have to say it's a beautiful machine. So we're going to give it a go and show you what it can do. The things come out here. So there you go. This is my Hoover Junior U1036, which has been refurbished. So thank you very much, Hooverlux. I will look after this, and it will go to with my collection of Hoover Juniors. So thank you very much for watching.